In this video, we'll take you through a series of exercises to help you develop control, coordination, and awareness of your prosthetic hand. These exercises will help you develop smoother, more precise movements. Let's start with a simple drill. Practice opening and closing the prosthetic hand steadily at different speeds. The goal is to develop proportional control, the ability to adjust movement speed and precision based on your intent. Now, slow it down. Open very slowly, then close just as slowly. Next, try opening the hand only halfway before closing it again. Now, switch to wrist rotation. Rotate the hand outward. Then back inward. Controlled, steady movements are key. Make variations of the exercise with switching rotation and hand, opening and closing quickly. Quickly opening and closing only halfway. Or rotating the hand at different speeds. Once you've mastered controls training and are ready for the next challenge, you can move on to repetitive drills involving objects